Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete message on Instagram from both sides. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram is no longer just for posting photos and videos. It's become a powerful messaging tool that some people even use primarily instead of texting. The problem is that sometimes you might end up sending a message that was intended for someone else or that you later regret. Luckily, Instagram knows that mistake can happen, so they have created a feature to delete messages no matter which side of the conversation you're on. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can open your DM. You can choose your friend that you want to delete the message. Maybe I will try to send message first. And now I regret it and I want to unsend or delete this message from me and from this account from the both side. You can just tap and hold on the message. There is an option delete for you and unsend. If you just choose delete for you, so the message will be deleted for you only. You can tap on unsend. Tap on unsend. So the message will be disappeared, will be removed from you and from the other side. Let's try again. Like this. And what if the message have your friend from the other side have read the message? Can you still unsend the message? Of course. Let's try. I will change the account. Let's read the message. And now let's unsend from the other side. Let's delete it from the other side. We can see there is a notification that it's in. You can still unsend it. Sorry. Tap and hold, tap on unsend, tap and hold and choose on unsend. So the message will be removed. Let's see again from the other side. You can see the message has been removed from this conversation. It's so simple, right? So that is how to unsend or delete message on Instagram from the both sides. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.